Days continue to pass, yet the wait for the University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test or UGC candidates for their results seem to have no end. While a few media reports suggest that the National Testing Agency or NTA will release the scorecards in the coming days, others speculate that the results may not be announced until mid-October. Still, there has been no official notification regarding the same. Let us look into the issue with me, Soumyangi Yadav, in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live. Nearly 9 lakh candidates are awaiting the results of the UGC NET 2024 June session that was conducted from August 21 to September 4th this year. Usually, the exam results are released within a month after it is conducted. However, this year there seems to be an unusual delay causing anxiety and confusion among the candidates. Several candidates have written to the NTA and UGC seeking clarity on the status of the exam results. Now, Advocate Ujjwal Gaur, a member of the Supreme Court Bar Association, has written to the exam conducting body on behalf of the UGC NET candidates. Highlighting their concerns, he wrote, and I quote, "The courts have time and again demonstrated their sensitivity to such issues, ensuring that fairness and transparency prevail. I remain prepared to take the necessary legal steps to safeguard the future of students." Unquote. Let us listen to Advocate Gaur himself about what pushed him to write to the NTA.
So basically, I have written a letter to the NTA authorities and the UGC authorities. The main purpose of the letter is because the results are not yet been declared. Ever since after when the exam has happened, it was leaked. Thereafter, when we moved a petition to the Honorable Supreme Court, then secondly, firstly the petition was dismissed. Then we again moved the second petition with number of students. But even after when the exam is conducted and the second petition also got dismissed, but still there are no results that we are getting. Students, if I tell you, your rights, your constitutional rights are being violated. Your Article 19(1)(g) is violated. Article 21 is violated. Article 14 is violated. So the purpose is and the request is that we get the results as early as possible. And secondly, if we don't get the results, if the results are not declared timely, then what we particularly seek is judicial intervention, because that is the last resort. And this time I'm sure of it that judiciary will intervene and will definitely give a decision in favor of these students.
It might be recalled that the exam was first conducted by the NTA as per schedule on June 18th. However, just a day later on June 19th, the Ministry of Education cancelled the exam due to suspicions that the integrity of the aforementioned exam may have been compromised. Again, the exam was reconducted between August 21 and September 4th, 2024. That is all from us today. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.